In today's digital landscape, mastering AI tools is essential for YouTube creators looking to elevate their content. AI technology not only streamlines the creative process, but also enhances audience engagement and boosts productivity. In this video, we'll embark on an engaging exploration of various AI tools that can transform your content creation journey. From automating video editing to optimizing SEO, we'll cover practical applications that can lead to significant growth in your channel. By the end, you'll have actionable insights to harness the power of AI, making your content more compelling and your workflow more efficient. Understanding AI in content creation. AI plays a transformative role in modern content creation for YouTube, significantly streamlining video production processes. By automating tasks like video editing and thumbnail generation, creators can save valuable time and focus on their creative vision. Additionally, AI tools can assist in content ideation and scripting, generating topic suggestions, and even drafting scripts based on trending themes. This not only enhances creativity but also ensures relevance. Furthermore, AI-driven analytics provide insights into audience engagement, helping creators understand viewer preferences and optimize their content strategy. Embracing these technologies can lead to more impactful videos and a stronger connection with audiences. Top AI tools for video editing. In 2024, several AI tools are revolutionizing video editing, making the process faster and more efficient. Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features, such as auto reframe and scene edit detection, allow creators to quickly adapt their videos for different platforms while maintaining high quality. Descript offers innovative capabilities like automatic transcription and text-based editing, enabling creators to refine their content effortlessly. Many successful YouTubers have leveraged these tools to enhance their workflow. For instance, a travel vlogger used Descript to edit a 30-minute video in just a few hours, showcasing how AI can significantly save time and elevate video quality. AI for thumbnail and title optimization. Creating eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles is crucial for improving click-through rates on YouTube. Tools like Canva offer user-friendly templates and AI-driven design suggestions, making it easy for creators to craft visually appealing thumbnails. Meanwhile, TubeBuddy provides insights into title optimization, helping creators choose keywords that resonate with their audience. Compelling titles not only attract viewers, but also enhance searchability. To maximize effectiveness, consider A/B testing different thumbnails and titles using AI insights to analyze performance. By leveraging these tools, creators can refine their approach, ultimately leading to higher engagement and more views on their videos. Enhancing audience engagement with AI tools are transforming how creators interact with their audience, significantly improving engagement. Chatbots can provide instant responses to viewer inquiries, enhancing the overall experience and keeping audiences engaged. Additionally, AI-driven comment moderation tools help manage discussions, filtering out spam and ensuring a positive environment. Personalization is another key benefit, as AI analyzes viewer behavior to tailor content recommendations, making each viewer feel valued. Successful engagement strategies include using chatbots during live streams to answer questions in real time or employing AI insights to create targeted content that resonates with specific audience segments, fostering a deeper connection with viewers. AI analytics for growth optimization. AI analytics are essential for creators looking to optimize their growth strategies on YouTube. Tools like Vidooly and Social Blade provide comprehensive performance tracking, offering insights into viewer demographics, engagement rates, and content performance. By leveraging these analytics, creators can make data-driven decisions that enhance their content strategy, ensuring they focus on what resonates with their audience. Understanding metrics such as watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention is crucial for interpreting AI analytics effectively. By analyzing these insights, creators can refine their approach, identify trends, and ultimately drive channel growth, leading to a more engaged and loyal audience. Future trends in AI for YouTube creators. As AI technology continues to evolve, several emerging trends are set to impact YouTube content creation significantly. Advancements in machine learning and natural language processing are paving the way for more sophisticated tools that can automate complex tasks, such as script writing and video editing. Future tools may include enhanced AI-driven analytics that provide real-time feedback on content performance, allowing creators to adapt quickly. Additionally, features like virtual reality integration and personalized content recommendations could further enhance viewer engagement. It's essential for creators to stay updated on these developments, as embracing new AI innovations will be key to maintaining a competitive edge in the industry. In this video, we explored the transformative role of AI tools in enhancing content creation and driving growth for YouTube creators. We discussed how AI streamlines video production, optimizes thumbnails and titles, and improves audience engagement through chatbots and analytics. Key takeaways include the importance of leveraging AI for efficiency, personalization, and data-driven decision-making. As you implement these strategies, remember that staying updated on emerging AI trends will keep you ahead in the competitive landscape. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow creators for more valuable insights on mastering AI in your content journey.